Hi everybody, I'm Alex and welcome to Plant Fact Friday. Today we are actually filming on Monday while we're closed because we're doing some work that we will talk to Ryan about in just a second. But Ryan, introduce yourself and tell us what's going on today.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name's Ryan. I'm the ecological horticulturist here at the Greater Des Moines Botanical Garden. So I'm primarily outside, but I also do the living wall, which is situated in our gift shop right at the front entrance. And as Alex said, we're working on Monday while we're closed, so we can do a major switch out.
Yes, it usually is full of plants, so you might not even recognize this. Tell us what you're doing today. You took the plants out. All those plants are actually in individual pots.
They are.
How many pots did you take out and how many will go back in?
Yeah, so we started early this morning to take all of the plants out. We'll reuse some of those in the conservatory and in educational programs. And then we take all of those out in their individual pots. We wash the pots and bring out the new plants for installment.
And we reuse those pots, right?
We reuse all of those pots.
Awesome.
And, so it takes 1,382 plants to fill out this entire wall. So we have double that. So all of our new plants are in their individual pots, and we'll be putting those as the other pots get washed.
Wow. So right now we are kind of running the system just to clean it out, right?
Yes. So we definitely want to make sure that we're keeping up the system and making sure things are clean and clear. And we're just running the water, checking for leaks and irrigation, also running some pesticides so that we're reducing the amount of pests that we're experiencing.
Wonderful. And these lights up here, these have like full spectrum, so they're, you know, under grow lights. And the water, I don't know if you can get through here, but the pots kind of sit at an angle, right, to get the water in like the little troughs.
Yep. So each has its own slit, so that's one plant per slit there. We've got two 16-gallon irrigation tanks that we run once a week about for an hour. That's usually enough to keep the plants going for a week, and then we'll run it again. So right now you can kind of see the bare bones of all of that structure behind the living wall.
And here we have some of the plants that are going in. What's kind of your vision when you're looking to design the wall? Maybe highlight a few plants. Tell us what we can expect.
Yeah, so when we're designing a living wall, what we're really kind of dealing with are microclimates. So each section of this wall has different light levels, different heat levels. You know, we get drafts and different things like that, and even inside. So when we're designing, we're kind of eyeing up what those microclimates might be with our wall, and then picking plants that are going to be suitable for that.
Sure.
So this installment is going to be prairie inspired. So because it is the Prairie Meadows Living Wall, I wanted to give a nod to that prairie and to Iowa. So we've got a lot of different carex and liriope that will be kind of this flowing grass layer of the living wall, and then we'll have
very cool
blooms throughout the season that we will switch out with our volunteers.
Awesome. So this is a one-day process. We're closed on Mondays. We took it down. You're cleaning it out. How long does it take to fill this back up?
So it depends on the design and how intricate it is. So I don't have an answer for this one. We're going to be doing that this afternoon. And my guess is it's going to be around 2 hours. But we've got a lot of helping hands. We rely on our volunteers so much. So we do appreciate their help.
Definitely.
With this whole process.
Awesome. Well, thanks for joining us today, and we hope that you come check out the new living wall. We'll see you next week.